Welcome to Sprig Learning, early years math and language programs that give every student a fair shot at success. Our programs are built by teachers, so they fit easily into classroom routines. And our digital assessment and planning tools help you meet the unique needs of every learner without adding to your to-do list. Let's sit in on a day in the life of a teacher to see the Sprig Learning programs in action. Coats and bags are tucked away and it's time to settle into circle time. Our learners take part in a group activity. The class favorite is rhyming bag. The students practice turn-taking, active listening, and they expand their vocabulary. Circle time is tidied up, and it's time to break into small groups for literacy activities. The transition is made smoother as the kids have come to know and love the familiar characters. With storybooks and hands-on materials, the students can strengthen their understanding of syntax and pragmatics. Prep time at last. Our teacher manages a classroom of diverse learners, with each student and their unique learning profile right at their fingertips. They can match the activities to individual students, so they're working at the right skill, at the right level, at the right time. With this laid out, it's easy to plan small groups, build appropriate classroom centers, and confidently monitor key developmental milestones for each student as they progress. At home, parents can lead their kids through simple, everyday activities that help reinforce and integrate concepts learned in the classroom. Sprig math activities support early numeracy skills. Today's centers include sorting and matching and a counting game. These activities make elementary mathematical processes more approachable to learners. Early confidence in these skills, like problem solving, reasoning, and proving, help build a positive regard to math that is strongly tied to better outcomes down the road. So there you have it, a day in the class with Sprig Learning. Our program meets students where they are and keeps track of their progress so that no learner is left behind.